Good day! Welcome to Momshi Teaches M's classroom. Join me as we explore the wonders of Mathematics 8. Hope you learned something new today. Factoring perfect square trinomial. Remember the patterns on special products? The square of a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The square of a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Any trinomial that factors into a single binomial squared is called a perfect square trinomial. Let's say we multiply the square of y plus 2 or y plus 2 times y plus 2. Applying the FOIL method or distributive property, we multiply the first term with the first term. Y times y is y squared. The last term with the last term, 2 times 2 is 4. The outer term, y times 2 is 2y. The inner term, 2 times y is also 2y. We combine like terms. The outer and the inner terms are like terms, so we have 2y plus 2y that is equal to 4y. So, the product of y plus 2 times y plus 2 or square of y plus 2 is y squared plus 4y plus 4. Using the formula or the pattern, a plus b raised to the power of 2 will be equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, following that pattern, we have a as y and 2 as b. Therefore, y raised to 2 plus 2 times y times 2 plus 2 raised to 2. We simplify y squared plus 2 times y is 4y plus 2 raised to 2 is 4. So which one is quicker? Let's now try factoring PST or perfect square trinomial. Factor x squared plus 6x plus 9. Which of these patterns should we use? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared or a squared minus 2ab plus b squared? Before we decide, we answer the question, does this fit the form of a perfect square trinomial? So, we analyze whether the polynomial is a PST by answering more of these questions. Is the first term a perfect square? Is the last term a perfect square? Is the middle term twice the product of a and b? X squared is equivalent to a squared. 9 is equivalent to b squared. If we are to get the value of a, we get the square root of x squared, and that is equal to x. Getting the square root of 9, that is equal to 3, and that is equal to b. Multiply x by 3, we get 3x, and multiply this product by 2, we get 6x. 6x is the same as our middle term in the given polynomial. Since all the answers to these questions are true, we write our factors as x plus 3 times x plus 3, and it is equal to the square of x plus 3. Example 2. Factor y squared minus 16y plus 64. First, we test once again if it fits the form of a perfect square trinomial. Is the first term a perfect square? Is the last term a perfect square? Is the middle term twice the product of a and b? If we get the square root of y squared, that will be equal to y, and that is equal to a. We get the square root of 64, that is 8, and that is equal to b. Try to multiply 8 and y, we get 8y, and multiply it by 2, we get 16y, which is the middle term. We use the pattern a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Therefore, since the answer to these questions are true, then we write our answer as y minus 8 raised to 2, or the square of y minus 8. Example 3. Factor 45x squared plus 30x plus 5. Does this fit the form of a perfect square trinomial? The answer is no. 45 is not a perfect square. 5 is not also a perfect square. But there is a common factor of 5. 45, 30, and 5 have a GCF of 5. Therefore, it can be written as 5. Then we divide 45x squared by 5 to get the remaining factor 9x squared. 30x divided by 5 is 6x, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So the factored form of 45x squared plus 30x plus 5 is 5 multiplied to the trinomial 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. Is this the complete factored form of the polynomial? We analyze once again the remaining factor. Is it a perfect square trinomial? Is the first term a perfect square? Is the last term a perfect square? Is the middle term twice the product of a and b? Yes. So all of these, we have the answer is yes. A is equal to 3x since 9x squared, the square root of 9x squared is 3x. The square root of 1 is also 1, which is the same as b. Multiplying 3x by 1, we get 3x. Then multiply it by 2, we get 6x. 9x squared plus 6x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial. Therefore, we can factor this out as 5 times 3x plus 1 times 3x plus 1, or 5 multiplied to the square of 3x plus 1. That's all for today. See you in our next video lessons. Keep safe, everyone.